Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Daily. We are building your English foundation.
Now it's time to talk about everyone else.
Today, you will master all 7 personal pronouns. Get ready for a deep dive. This is your longest and most important lesson yet.
We start with you, I. I always means the speaker. Say it proudly. Say it, I am here. Repeat with me, I am the best. Say again, I am ready to learn.
Let's practice with 5 things about I. I am happy. I have a phone. I can swim. I am Angelina. I am speaking. Practice with me. I am happy.
Now 5 more sentences. I have a brother. I am hungry. I am working. I can help. I am Brad. Say it again. I am Brad. I.
Next is you. It can be singular or plural. You is always the listener. Say with enthusiasm, you are amazing. Repeat again, you are watching this. Say it loudly, you.
Let's try 5 sentences. You are smart. You have a great idea. You are my friend. You can learn this. You are ready. Say again, you are smart.
5 more. You are listening carefully. You are kind. You look good today. You have time. You are doing homework. Repeat after me. You are kind. You. Brad, you are hungry, right?
Yes, I am hungry. For a male person, use he. Always a boy or a man. Repeat after me. He is a man. Say it one more time. He is my brother. Repeat with me. He.
5 sentences about him. He is my husband. He is very tall. He works hard. He can drive. He is busy now. Say again. He is busy.
5 more sentences. He has a nice jacket. He is strong. He is a doctor. He is walking. He is happy now. Say with confidence, he is strong. He. Angelina, look, is he happy?
Yes, he is very happy. For a female person, use she. Always a girl or a woman. Repeat after me. She. She is beautiful. Say it once more. She. She is my mother. Repeat with me. She.
5 sentences about her. She is my wife. She is smart. She has a red dress. She is reading. She is here. Say again, she is smart.
5 more sentences. She is a teacher. She is fast. She is cooking. She has a good job. She is tired. Repeat the example. She is reading. She. Brad, she is working, right?
Yes, Angelina, she is working hard. For objects and animals, we use it, not for people. Repeat after me. It. It is a cat. Say it one more time. It. It is a good film. Repeat with me. It.
It is raining. It is cold. It is time to go. It is a big house. It is easy. Say again. It is easy.
5 more. It is fast. It is red. It is my phone. It is a good day. It is new. Say with confidence. It is new. It It. It is cold outside.
Yes, it is very cold. When I and you and others are together, we use we. Repeat after me. We. We are a team. Say it again. We. We are learning together. Repeat with me. We.
5 sentences about us. We are Mr. and Mrs. English Daily. We are here. We are teaching you. We can help. We are together. Say again, we are a team.
5 more, including our learners. We are ready for the next lesson. We are happy today. We have a plan. We are going now. We are friends. Say together, we are ready. We. Brad, we are going to have fun.
Yes, we are. Finally, for 2 or more people or objects that are not us, we use they. Repeat after me. They. They are coming. Say it again. They. They are over there. Repeat with me. They.
5 sentences about them. They are students. They are speaking English. They have questions. They are smart. They are listening. Say again, they are listening.
They are the cars. They are fast. They are hungry. They can run. They are my colleagues. Say with confidence, they are smart. They. Angelina, look, they are learning.
Yes, and they are doing great.
Excellent work, everyone. You now know all 7 pronouns. This is the core of every sentence.
Let's quickly say the 7 together one last time with power.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Now go use these. Your homework is to write 7 new sentences using each pronoun.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Daily. We'll see you for the next lesson.